Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like movie theater popcorn on Dress to Impress. Unfortunately, yes, you do need VIP for this, but you're just going to go into VIP. I just have my movie theater uniform outfit on. Select this one, and then you can either do the hands one or the default one. I'll just do this one because it looks like I'm handing it off to like a customer or something. Then don't use this one, but rather use the pattern that's like really thin. Like this is the perfect one. And then for the color of the flowers, you are just going to select the yellow, but like make it a little bit more subtle, like this maybe. Yellow and like this color, but have a little bit more yellow because we want the popcorn to look buttery like that. And there you go. That's how you can make flowers look like a popcorn bucket on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Another tip that you can do is you can definitely use the cup and color it red for that movie theater look as well. Sorry. Why can't I color that? Okay, it's supposed to be red, but I don't know why it's not working. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.